That initial spark you felt might seem a little dimmer these days. But fear not, regaining attraction isn't about manipulation or tricks. It's about reconnecting with your partner and reminding them of the amazing qualities that drew them to you in the first place. In this video, I will explain to you 10 ways to regain attraction from a woman. Try to watch this video to the end, because I have some bonus tips for you toward the end of the video. Here are 10 ways to regain attraction from a woman. Number 1. Communication is key. Open and honest communication is the bedrock of any strong relationship. Talk openly about what's going on, your feelings of disconnect, and your desire to rekindle the spark. Listen actively to her concerns and perspectives. Don't get defensive, approach it as a team in an effort to improve your bond. Before we go further, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. It doesn't cost any money. Please do this to support us. Thanks. As you do so, let's continue. Number 2. Remember the little things. Sometimes, daily routines can overshadow the small gestures that showed your love initially. Surprise her with a cup of coffee in bed, leave a love note in her purse, or offer to help with a chore she usually handles. These little acts show you care and keep the spark alive. Number 3. Become a mystery again. While comfort is important, a touch of mystery can reignite attraction. Surprise her with a new date night idea, take up a new hobby, or learn a new skill. This shows you're still growing and keeps her interested in who you are becoming. Number 4. Invest in yourself. Taking care of yourself, physically and mentally, makes you a more attractive partner. Prioritize healthy eating, exercise, and getting enough sleep. Pursue your own interests, goals, and passions. A confident, well-rounded partner is magnetic. Number 5. Reconnect on a deeper level. Make time for meaningful conversations beyond daily tasks. Ask her about her day, her dreams, and her fears. Show genuine interest in her life and what makes her tick. Plan activities that allow for deeper connection, like taking a walk together or having a romantic dinner where you can truly talk. Number 6. Adventure awaits. Step outside your comfort zone and create new memories together. Take a weekend trip, try a new activity. It could be anything from hiking to a cooking class. Shared experiences create lasting bonds and keep things exciting. Number 7. Touch is crucial. Physical touch is a vital part of any relationship. Don't underestimate the power of a hug, a kiss, or holding hands. Initiate physical contact in a way that feels natural and comfortable for both of you. Number 8. Appreciate her. Let her know how much you appreciate her, both verbally and through your actions. Thank her for her contributions, big and small. Acknowledge her efforts and make her feel valued. Number 9. Flirt again. Don't let familiarity extinguish the playful side of your relationship. Flirt with her through playful texts, compliments, or a knowing glance across the room. Flirting keeps things lighthearted and reminds her of the initial spark. Number 10. Respect her boundaries. A healthy relationship requires respect for boundaries. Don't pressure her or make her feel obligated. If she needs space, give it to her. Trust and respect are essential for a strong, lasting attraction. Regaining attraction is a journey, not a destination. Be patient, focus on building a stronger connection, and celebrate the small victories along the way. By putting in the effort and prioritizing your relationship, you can reignite the flame and create a lasting bond with your partner. Now, let's move to the bonus tips. Tip 1. Technology detox. Our devices can be major distractions. Schedule tech-free time during the day or evening to have focused, uninterrupted conversations and connection. Tip 2. Learn her love language. Everyone gives and receives love differently. Understanding her love language helps you express affection in a way that truly resonates with her. Research the 5 love languages or take a quiz together to discover yours and hers. Tip 3. Focus on the present. Don't dwell on past issues or let worries about the future overshadow the present moment. Be present with her, listen actively, and enjoy the time you have together. Remember, every relationship is unique. These tips are a starting point, and what works for one couple might not work for another. Tailor these suggestions to your specific situation and your partner's preferences. With open communication, effort, and a genuine desire to reconnect, you can reignite the attraction and build a stronger, more fulfilling relationship. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. See you in our next video.